Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're focusing on the powerful return calculation functions provided by MarketXLS. What sets these functions apart is their versatility. You can apply them to stocks, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, cryptocurrencies, and major indices. One of our defining features is the inclusion of optional arguments in our functions for enhanced flexibility. A great example of this is the stock return function, which we've recently updated to offer price returns and total returns. Price returns capture the price appreciation of an asset over time, whereas total returns account for both price appreciation and dividends paid out. Importantly, these calculations are already adjusted for splits, giving you a more precise view of performance. Let's take Microsoft stock, for instance. If you wanted to calculate the total returns for MSFT over the last year, you'd use the stock return 1-year function. It shows a return of approximately 26.66% when considering both price appreciation and dividends. However, if you only wanted to analyze the price appreciation, you'd use the price return argument in the function. This might show a slightly lower return as it doesn't include dividends. Let's switch gears and look at cryptocurrencies. If you're interested in Bitcoin's performance over the last 5 years, you would use the stock return 5 years function. Despite its name, this function isn't just for stocks. With MarketXLS, you can analyze various asset classes, including cryptocurrencies, all within the familiar interface of Excel. Looking at other return calculation functions, stock return 15 days and stock return 7 days allow you to assess short-term performance, while stock return 1 year, stock return 2 years, and stock return 5 years cater to longer-term analyses. For bespoke timeframes, we have the stock return custom dates function. It's a fantastic tool when you need to calculate returns for a specific period. Simply pass the start date and the end date in the function. In conclusion, MarketXLS offers a wide variety of return calculation functions. Whether you need to calculate returns for 7 days, 15 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, or for month to date, quarter to date, and year to date, we've got you covered. All functions provide both price and total return calculations for a comprehensive analysis. We hope you find this overview helpful. Explore MarketXLS fully to uncover deeper insights and maximize your investment strategies. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Until next time, happy investing, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.